In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Google Maps screenshot to AutoCAD. First, open Google Maps in your web browser. Take a moment to frame exactly what you want to show in your AutoCAD drawing. You can zoom in for more detail or zoom out to capture a wider area, and you can pan the map until key landmarks, roads, or boundaries are clearly visible. What you see on the screen is what you'll capture, so adjust the view until it looks right. If you prefer satellite imagery, switch to that view. If you need road names and labels, make sure they're visible before you move on. When your map is set, press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. This opens the built-in snipping tool on Windows. Your screen will dim slightly and a small toolbar will appear at the top. By default, it's usually in rectangular snip mode, which is perfect for this task. If you don't see the crosshair cursor immediately, give it a second. You can cancel with the Escape key and try again if needed. Now use your cursor to draw a rectangle around the exact area you want to capture. Click, hold, and drag diagonally until the selection box covers the map region you want. Try to include a little extra margin so you don't accidentally clip off important edges. If the selection isn't quite right, just release and take another snip until you're satisfied. As soon as you release the mouse, the screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard. You may see a small preview notification. That just confirms it worked. If you want to keep a file copy for later, you can click that preview and save it, but for this workflow, the clipboard copy is all you need. Now, switch over to your open AutoCAD drawing. Make sure you're in the right layout or model space and that you've zoomed roughly to where you want the image to appear. Simply paste the screenshot into AutoCAD. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+V. The image will come in on your cursor, and you can click to place it. If it appears too large or too small, place it first. Then you can reposition it by clicking and dragging. Remember, this is a simple screenshot for visual reference. It's not georeferenced and shouldn't be relied on for exact scale or precise measurements. It works great for context, quick markups, or communicating location within your drawing. And that's all. You've captured a Google Maps view and dropped it straight into AutoCAD in just a few seconds.